The cook-chill method, paired with reduced oxygen packaging, helps preserve cooked food safely. This process requires precise cooking, rapid chilling, and careful storage. Start with fresh, properly refrigerated ingredients. Cook whole muscle meats to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, ground meats to 155 degrees Fahrenheit, and poultry to 165 degrees Fahrenheit before packaging. For cook-chill, package foods while they're still above 135 degrees Fahrenheit before chilling begins. Chill cooked foods from 135 degrees Fahrenheit to 70 degrees Fahrenheit within 2 hours, then from 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees Fahrenheit within the next 4 hours. This rapid cooling is critical to keep food safe. After cook-chill, foods must be kept refrigerated at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or below. The maximum shelf life is 7 days, after which all leftovers must be discarded. Clearly label each cook-chill item with cooking, packaging, and use-by dates. Accurate labels help track shelf life and keep food safe. Monitoring for cook-chill involves tracking cooking temperature, packaging temperature, and chilling times. Record when foods reach 135 degrees Fahrenheit, then 70 degrees Fahrenheit, then 41 degrees Fahrenheit, and confirm all logs are complete. If foods don't reach the required cooking or chilling temperatures in time, don't package or serve them. Reheat, rechill, or discard as needed. Label problems must be fixed right away, and spoiled or questionable food should be thrown out immediately. Verification checks that your team is following all monitoring and corrective action procedures, making sure your food safety system actually works. Verifying time, temperature, seals, and records with every batch is essential for preventing bacteria and for protecting your customers. The GoHACCP coordinator keeps a close eye on daily operations. If they notice a mistake, they fix it right away and help train staff to do it right. Every week, the coordinator reviews and signs food safety records. They also lead regular audits to make sure the whole team follows the plan. With careful verification and an attentive GoHACCP coordinator, your team can prevent hazards and keep every ROP product safe for your customers. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the GoHACCP Reduced Oxygen Packaging ROP training. Remember to apply these principles diligently in your work. Take the final quiz now to solidify your understanding and move forward. Look at our exclusive courses and full training library in our dedicated platform. If you're not registered, please scan the link to access the course. For more training content, please hit subscribe right now and turn on notifications. Finally, you can follow our daily updates and news on social media. We're GoHACCP everywhere, and you can visit our main site at GoHACCP.com. Thanks for watching.